And so here we are in a different place, different location. After the previous video, I decided to take it easy, go to the hotel, have breakfast, and just take some time. The weather is not looking very good. It's quite cloudy still, but it's perfect if you want to go walking in the forest, not to get those harsh shadows that the midday sun can bring. And I love this diffused light, so I decided to come for a small, well, I cannot say hike, a small walk into the forest to this waterfall. It's quite amazing. It's quite high, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna organize this shot. I'm thinking if I do a vertical panorama or focus with a zoom lens in some spots, because it's not going to be possible for me to take this with only one shot. It's very high, but I think it's going to be possible to find something here. I mean, it's so beautiful, and there's so many little details to concentrate on that you're gonna hear a goat here and then. It's been bettling. I don't know what goes. It's been talking to us, and well, anyway. So this is off a little bit off the beaten track. Not so many people. There is a possibility to come by road, but it was blocked. There is a possibility to come by car, but it was blocked by some stones on the road. So I think the locals, they don't want people to come here and with their cars and avoid those buses coming and dumping a lot of people, right? But this is why this is nice. It's not very known, this waterfall. In fact, this is my 4th or 5th time here in the island, and this is the first time that I hear about this, and only because someone recommended me to visit this place. But it's stunning. I love it, and I love how much forest and green there is here in Madeira. It's just very dear for me to be able to walk on these greens and relax a bit. You know, mentally it's a very nice thing after working so much and everything that everyone has been going through, right? To take some time and just relax on the forest. I think it's great. I'll try to find a shot now. Let's see what I can come out with. Yeah, talk to you guys soon.
While I managed to capture what I had in mind, I have to say that this shot is not my favorite from this location. I think it's a bit too busy and boring. I'm much happier with the photos I took later on.
I took that shot, but I'm not very happy with it. It's quite busy and very wide. I'm getting the whole scene, but I will only know if it's really good when I get to the computer. So I'm gonna do now is try to find other compositions. Behind here there is a little trunk on the ground that can serve as a little bit of a foreground interest. And I will see if I can get just a vertical and not get the entire waterfall, but just some points of interest. There is also some ferns here. I love ferns. Ferns for life, baby. And I will see. And there is some tree trunks also, fallen trees, that I will try to frame it with these trunks and get some close-ups, because there is other interests in this area besides just the waterfall. Even though it's really pretty, it's you always have to try to milk the area that you are, right? So that you can get some other things. You never know what you come out with, and there is a lot of stuff actually to take a look. So yeah, like these flowers here. Oh, there's so many beautiful flowers here in Madeira. Can you see it? The blue ones. Yeah, here. Oh, the other side. Here. It's really nice, really special place. All right, let's get more shots.
Since the first shot was quite busy, I zoomed in to isolate exactly what I wanted and came home with this. Going further, I tried a landscape orientation and converted the shot to black and white for that classy look. But I wanted more from this spot, and so I continued looking for another shot.
And just when I said that this was such a quiet place, a tourist couple came here and started taking photos as well and enjoying the place. Yeah, so then I stopped doing this because I'm still a little bit ashamed of photographing. I mean, not photographing, but making YouTube videos and talking to the camera. It's still very, very weird to me to be doing this. So I'm not shameless like those other YouTubers. Anyway, let's try to find a spot here. I think I'm gonna go in this direction to try to get some close-ups from some flowers. There is this flowers with ferns. I love ferns. Flowers with ferns around them, and maybe there is something there. I'm not sure, but this is what I have to walk through. So let's see.
And finally, we come to my favorite shots of this location. A fallen trunk provides foreground interest to the beautiful yellow flowers that sit among the ferns. I'm very happy with how this shot turned out. I'm especially happy also how I processed it. There is a calm, dreamy, vintage feel to it. While green is the primary color on this scene, I pushed the other colors a bit more so they could stand out from the sea of ferns. I also converted the same scene into black and white, and I can't say really which one is my favorite. Let me know in the comments your favorite. And with this, we come to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe so you don't miss my next video.